Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. As I was thinking about what to talk about or to offer up for our reflection this week, it occurred to me that St. Ignatius Loyola and the Jesuits have a beautiful practice that helps them to maintain their awareness of themselves and also of God. And it's called the examen. And what you see on the screen are the 5 steps that the Jesuits follow 2 or 3 times a day for a period of about 15 minutes to keep tabs on themselves and on the status of their spiritual lives. And so for each of the 5 weekdays of this week, I'm going to focus just briefly on one of these suggestions. So the first one says, recall that you are in God's presence. And it's phrased that way for a reason, because our faith tells us that God is always present to us. God is always mindful of us. And so it's up to us to remember that we are in God's presence. God never leaves us. Sometimes our minds have to focus on something else. And so the examen invites us to remember that wherever we are, whatever we're doing, God is with us. God is present to us and among us. I offer that for our reflection today. Stay safe and healthy. Have a great Monday.